Hi everyone! Welcome back to another cooking video. And the recipe that I'll be sharing you today is Malunggay Puto Cheese. I know many of you love the previous putong bigas that I uploaded. So this time, I'm going to teach you how to make another version of puto. And we will going to add malunggay to make it healthier and of course even more delicious. So if you wanted to learn new recipe for your family, please keep on watching. Let's check out the ingredients. All-purpose flour, malunggay leaves, evaporated milk, sugar, egg, cheese, cooking oil, baking powder, and vanilla extract. You enjoy watching this video, and if you wanted to check out the complete recipe details, you can check on the video description. And please don't forget to like and share, and for any suggestions or recommendations, just comment down below. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and please click on that little bell so you will get a notification every time we upload a video. And also, you can follow and like us on our Facebook page. You can also find us on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. And if you wanted to check out more recipes, you can also visit our website, www.delishph.com. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video. God bless everyone! Bye!
Massflex cookware and kitchenware for the love of cooking. Click the link on the description for more information.